Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kota location. It is from Rajasthan. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, I am going to include all the links in the description for the job roles mentioned in this video. So you can have a look at the description once for the links to apply for these positions. So firstly, there is a job opening for digital marketing intern. It is from Bit2Byte Robotics. So let us see what are the responsibilities and duties mentioned here for this position. So you need to plan and implement the all digital marketing, push social media and SEO or SEM and displaying advertising campaigns, and you need to create the weekly and monthly editorial calendars to promote the company brands on various social media websites, and also you need to identify the trends and insights and optimizing the spending and performance based on the insights, and brainstorming new and creative growth strategies, and you need to collaborate with internal teams for design, business and tech requirements. So these are the duties and responsibilities for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist. It is from Eduncle, located in Kota. So let us see what are the responsibilities mentioned here for this position. So you need to plan and execute the all digital marketing, including SEO or SEM and marketing database, email, social media and display advertising campaigns, and you need to design, build and maintain their social media presence, and also measure and report performance of all digital marketing campaigns and assess against goals, ROI and KPIs, and also you need to identify the trends and insights and optimize the spending and performance based on the insights. So these are the responsibilities. So interested candidates, if you want to apply or else if you want to know more detailed information, you can have a look at the description for the links. Next one, there is a job opening for content writer. It is also from Eduncle. So let us see what are the qualifications and the responsibilities mentioned here for this position. So bachelor's degree in marketing or relevant work experience is required. So you should have experience in full life cycle project management, and you should be proficient in major digital and print platforms. So these are the qualifications. And coming to responsibilities, you need to create new content to assist marketing campaigns, and you need to work closely with marketing team members and also optimize the content using SEO best practices. So interested candidates, so please go through with all the details mentioned here. Next, there is a job opening from Bajaj Finserv for the position of assistant manager for credit operations. So let us see what are the qualifications mentioned here for this position. So graduation is required. Along with these 4 years of experience is required in gold loan operations, and you should have knowledge of gold evaluation process and also experience in gold loan audit and training. So these are the qualifications and experience. So coming to responsibilities, you need to provide the training to all branch level or area level resources on gold loan process and operations, and you need to like regular review, controlling as well as monitoring of gold loan policy processes, auditing and compliance with the policy as laid down, and also you need to monitor and reviewing the performance of the branches for maintaining the uniformity in gold loan and cash process. So you please go through with all the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing operations executive. It is from Tech Manos. Now let us see what are the skills and experience required. So you should have about 2 years of experience in marketing operations, and also you should have excellent communication skills with a high attention to detail, and you should be you should have experience in management, operations and leadership, and also in bringing teams together, and strong management skills are required. and prior experience in managing MIS and data and advanced Microsoft product knowledge should be required, so such as PowerPoint, Word and Excel. So these are the details. Next one, there is a job opening for campus ambassador. It is from Plovdiv. So let us see what are the requirements and roles and responsibilities mentioned here. So firstly, coming to requirements, you should have good written and spoken communication skills and wants to stand out for the crowd, and you should have ability to approach any situation with the patience and strong empathy, and you should be available for 2 months. So let us see what are the roles and responsibilities. Like you'll get to work in various departments such as marketing, sales, research, design and content writing, and also content creation, etc. And also you need to spread the awareness about their service in the student community, and also you need to organize the events, team management, and eventually lead a team, and leverage your social media network to spread awareness about their brand and mission, and also you need to collect the feedback and share new ideas from the university's community with the company. So it will be the good opportunity for the students. So interested candidates, you can have a look at the description to apply for this internship. Next one, there is a job opening for business development executive. It is from Tech Manos. So let us see what are the requirements mentioned here for this position. So the candidate should have 1 to 2 years of experience in business development, and he should have graduation or post graduation, and also ability to meet and or exceed the determined sales and activity codes, and passion towards business development, and also you should be sharp in business acumen, and market mapping skills are required, such as marketing, branding and positioning, and the candidate must possess excellent written and oral communication, and also you must be tech savvy, smart and quick learner. So these are the skills and education qualification details. So interested candidates, you can also check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing executive IT sales. It is from GFL Recruitment Private Limited. So let us see what are the skills and experience required for this position. So coming to education qualification, graduate in any stream. So graduates are eligible to apply. So you should have 1 to 2 years of experience to apply for this position. So they are going to offer a salary would be 10,000 to 15,000 rupees, and also you are going to get some benefits like incentives will be there. So coming to skills required, you must be comfortable with the field work also, and you should have knowledge about the sales, marketing and also customer handling, and effective behavior with the teammates and B2B sales, and you need to interact with the clients, and you should have excellent communication and presentation skills for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to know more detailed information, or else if you want to apply for the positions mentioned in this video, so you can have a look at the description once. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.